This is my first ever round canvas, and as you can see, I have a giant mess. But we're going to concentrate on just this area right here as I paint. So my colors don't matter as much as just the technique. They're mostly Amsterdam paints, and they're mostly mixed with Olga Soby's recipe that I've tweaked to make it a little bit thicker for myself. I will tell you that my base is titanium white, and it is Winsor & Newton and Amsterdam titanium white. All right, here I go. Oh my God, I love it. It is so cool. All right, I think that I just decided I need more round canvases. This is like literally maybe the first or second, maybe it's the second, but I think it's the first, especially the first I've ever done with the Australian Floetrol Bloom. Oh my God, this is so awesome. All right, let's see how it dries. I had to take it outside for you to see the shimmer. Inside, my studio lights kept giving it these white blobs whenever I tried to take a picture, so this was the best way to do it. I really hope you enjoyed this painting. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it.